Today, I wanted to show you the video about the degree, about the statistics, about how the most successful people in the world went to college and what type of degree they actually got. Let's watch it. I don't know how legit is this information, but let's take this. Let's trust this guy. Let's watch it.
Did most millionaires study at university?
Business.
Business is number 4.
Computer science.
Computer science number 10. Larry Page, Zuckerberg.
He dropped out.
He did drop out, but he also got into Harvard to do computer science.
Finance, yeah.
Finance is number 7.
I'd say medicine.
Not in the top 10.
I would say economics.
Economics.
And
So-
what do you study?
Econ.
Economics is number 3. Messi studied economics.
Where's politics?
Actually, politics is number 11. So
Oh,
it's not
really?
too
Okay,
far.
cool.
There is a degree here that very famous CEOs have done, like Nadella, Sundar Pichai. Micro version of this degree is like considered bad in the workplace when someone is a micro.
Boss.
Aggressor? Like
Management.
Management is number 8.
accounting?
Accountancy is number 6.
University dropouts.
No, 88% of millionaires have a university degree. A weird degree at number 9. It kind of depends on the country, as no one has guessed it so far.
The Bachelor of Commerce, popular in India.
Law. Law. Most US presidents, law gets you places. So I'd say law 100%.
Number 5.
Engineering.
Engineering is number 2 with Bezos and Musk.
I wonder what one is.
Yeah, I'm
curious.
curious.
You guys
I'm
must.
curious.
Number 1 is a postgraduate degree. You usually do it once you already have a degree and some experience.
Yeah. So basically, he's talking about millionaires. We're not talking about the billionaires, right? It's absolutely different category. About being a millionaire and a billionaire. It's a big gap. So if we're talking about the millionaires, let's say $1 million worth of assets and all that stuff, 88% of them went to college, and that's the breakdown of what type of degree they got. And the most popular in here, it is engineering, economics, business, law. Look at this specific. You don't see any other degrees in this top 10. Like, let's say history, social studies.
My degree is history.
Your degree is history, social studies, right? So you don't see computer sciences is here. My degree is up there, So I'm in top 10, but I'm not the millionaire. I don't know why, but I guess
Not yet,
I guess that's not correct. I'm probably one of the worst computer science guy, that you can find. But that's basically what he's saying, that this is the most successful people actually studying at a college. And obviously it correlates with a lot of successful people, what they're saying. Even Elon Musk says that's engineering. This is top priority for the people, engineering, physics, some sciences. Do you see any correlation between them? Like what they learn that's going to be useful to make business to be successful? Dima, what do you think? Do you have any idea, like any similarities with all this, let's say 9 degrees? We're not guessing about number 1 that he never told about postgraduate, Probably it's a continuation of the video that we didn't get. It's a short one.
Yeah. So actually, number 1. So it's not a occupation and profession. It's just category. So a little bit confusing for me that he chose the.
He says, "Watch, look in the in the comments." Probably he wrote that stuff in the comments himself.
Oh.
That's how he makes his millions. That people going and reading the comments.
Yeah, people can check more content. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. So he's attracting more attention to his video.
So yeah, I think this list is a great example for anybody who wants to study, young people. So to pick something that really, has big need in the world to be, in business sphere. So this is a list that you can focus. And my daughter, so she's in number 2, engineering. So I'm so happy that she chose this path. And your son is also, right? So
yeah. So not yet.
not yet.
So, yeah, not yet. So this is the look at the correlation between all the, let's say, 9 degrees that we have. It's all about the numbers. It's about finances, about the math. So I would put the math number 1 in this all skills, because engineering, it has a lot of math. Economics, it's a lot of math. Business, law, accountancy, finance, management, commerce, computer sciences. It's all about the math, right? So I see the correlation between all of them. It's the people who actually really good in terms of education and learning the sciences like math, we call it STEM, right? Basically, that's what it is, sciences. So that's the correlation. They're not learning some stuff that going to be useless. They're learning something that has something to do with calculations, and it is key in every successful business, in every successful budget in the family. It is calculation. You just calculate all day long, every day, how much money I have in my account, how much I can afford, how much I spent, how much I have left, and all that stuff. It's all about the calculations. That's what I see the correlation. Whatever it is, if you're good at math, I think you're going to be great at any of these degrees, and you can be a millionaire technically if you get your degree and if you're going to be successful in your area. But it's all about the math. Any business, you calculate every day, all day long. How much money the customer's bringing me, how much money I spent, what's the overhead, and all that stuff. It's all about the basic stuff. And the more you calculate in your head, not on a paper or a calculator, the more calculations you do, the better you're going to get at this. That's what I see in here.
Yeah, and if you are very bad in math, go to history, guys.
Yeah, be historian.
Yeah, you will be historian, but never be a millionaire.
Got it. Alrighty, that's the good thing to know.
Yeah.
See you on the next one.
See you guys. Bye.